Hello there. Let's take a look at the weather story then for North America. Some heavy rain for the opening day for the Ryder Cup. That has eased away along with the strong winds, but the trailing frontal system still bringing some rain down through the Carolinas and into northern Florida. Behind it, we've got a large area of high pressure building. A few scattered showers with some tropical moisture mixed in there across the desert southwest. So Arizona could continue to see a few sharp showers. And along the far northwest, we've got some heavy rain as well. That's impacting Alaska and to the north of British Columbia, just to the north of Vancouver, but some of that rain will be quite relentless as we head into the weekend. It really won't impact parts of Oregon and down into California. There's the showers I was pointing out earlier on. So let's take a look at the city forecast, see what to expect. We've got that wet weather in Vancouver throughout the start of the weekend. We've got the showers gradually easing in Phoenix, Arizona. Now across that east coast, an improving picture for both New York and Washington with some sunshine coming through during the day on Friday. There's that wetter weather stretching down just south of Atlanta, Georgia, into the Carolinas and to parts of North Florida as well. And some of that rain could be quite heavy within a 24-hour period. So taking a look at the city forecast, you can see Charleston will continue to see some sharp showers on Saturday. Hello there. A couple of storms developing across the Caribbean. I'll come back to that in just a moment. But first of all, let's start off in South America. Large area of high pressure at the moment, keeping things largely fine and quiet. You can see how many isobars on the chart. It's very windy here and there are some weather fronts pushing into Chile, and eventually we will see a weather front gradually making an impression across parts of Argentina, and that will lower the temperatures. We've got some heavy rain and it has been pretty unsettled across Peru just recently, also across parts of West Colombia and Venezuela, and some sharp showers moving into the northwest of Brazil. But there's a good slice of dry settled weather across Brazil, Paraguay and into Uruguay. There's that wetter weather developing across Argentina. That is going to push its way steadily north and east towards Buenos Aires. Once it does so, it will drop the temperatures in that heavy rain, but they will bounce back up for the second half of the weekend. Now into Mexico, largely fine and quiet for the next couple of days. Same too for the Yucatan Peninsula. Heavy rain into Costa Rica and Panama. It's this cluster of showers that could develop into a significant storm. We need to keep a close eye on that one. This is Humberto. At the moment, it looks likely to just track to the east of the Bahamas. We're keeping a close eye on these storms. They can potentially change their track, but it is going to stay unsettled over the next few days. Take care.